Hello, our next trip is to the wonderful and warm country of the Balkans, Serbia, to one of its largest cities, Novi Sad. As usual, we're going to meet with our compatriots to find out the reasons behind their move, how they settled, what do they do, to speak about the country and its native residents. Overall, to talk about everything that seems important and interesting. But first things first. Relations between Kazakhstan and Serbia started developing rapidly at the end of the 90s. Of course, political interests dominated economic ones, and there are objective reasons behind this. But both countries are doing everything to speed up and strengthen business relations. The economy of Serbia is primarily built on various sectors of agriculture, industry, and services.
Мы уехали из Казахстана с семьей в 2008 году. То есть, получается, уже 7 лет.
We left Kazakhstan as a family in 2008. Thus, already 7 years have passed. We left to see the world, to show our children the world, so that they would get a chance to see how children and people live and study in other countries. And in general, for us, it was interesting as well, to get new experiences, new information. Because the world never stops and you want to see it from all perspectives. For example, from a more fresh and objective perspective.
Со стороны взгляд всегда он более свежий, более объективный, мне так кажется. То есть...
I don't want to say that we left something unwanted behind. No, everything was great. We just wanted to expand our horizons. Everyone experiences difficulties when moving to another country. This can concern a variety of aspects: the language, food, currency, and cultural specificities. Our heroes are from Kazakhstan, a country in which representatives of around 130 ethnicities live. That is why it was quite easy for them to integrate into a new society. For people in Kazakhstan as a society, and for each person as an individual, it is very important to find a common language and to respect national values. However, looking at the bigger picture, we're not that different in order for the move to cause a cultural shock. But of course, there were some moments to get used to: the pace of life of the people in Serbia and their values.
Насчет трудностей, с которыми нам пришлось столкнуться в новой стране.
Regarding difficulties that we faced in a new country, perhaps every person who moves somewhere at first experiences the language barrier.
То есть различные языки, конечно, это вызывает трудность, потому что...
Different languages, this of course presents a difficulty, because even to ask a simple question, to establish communication, this is somewhat difficult in the beginning.
Первая и единственная сложность, я думаю, была именно из-за языка.
The first and only difficulty, I think, was because of the language.
Никого не понимала. На английском.
Because when I went to school, I couldn't understand anyone, and I was not explained very well in English.
Для меня нет, я вообще...
This wasn't a problem for me. I learned languages very fast. That is why I was able to pick up the languages right away. Serbian, Montenegrin, and Russian are very similar, so it was not difficult for me. Novi Sad is the second largest city of Serbia, located in the north of the country along the Danube River. The city, on the other bank of the river, across the Catholic city of Petrovaradin, was established by Orthodox Serbs. In 1748, the Empress Maria Theresia gave the Serbian settlement a Latin name, Neoplanta, which means new garden. The city was established in 1694, and already in the 18th-19th century became the center of Serbian culture of that period, as well as a trade and industrial center, which earned it the nickname Serbian Athens. During the 1848 revolution, the city suffered substantial destruction, but was later restored. After the Second World War, Novi Sad went through rapid industrialization and population growth. Today, cultural treasures of the land are concentrated in the city: museums, galleries, and architectural monuments.
Сейчас мы находимся на главной площади города Нови Сад. Это так называемая площадь Свободы.
Right now, we're on the main square of Novi Sad, the so-called Freedom Square. The square is not very big, but cozy and quite open. For example, for the International Yoga Day, many yoga practitioners of Novi Sad were able to lay out their mats right here and practice their asana poses right on the square.
Постоянно здесь выстраивается помост.
Concerts are organized here quite often.
В принципе, для небольшого городка
Overall, for a small city with a population of 300,000 people, I think this is quite an adequate square.
наверное, можно даже сказать, это сердце.
One could probably say that it is the heart of the city because everything is nice here, comfortable, cozy, fun, and pleasant.
А слева от меня находится знаменитая, как я уже говорила, церковь Святой Девы.
On my left, as I've mentioned before, is the Church of St. Mary. It was built in the Gothic style and has a very beautiful beaded roof.
Здесь самое главное слово у них полако. То есть все не спокойно, неторопливо.
Here the most important word is nikpolako, or everything is calm, no rush. For example, after the crazy pace of life in Astana, I was very surprised that people here, first and foremost, value their life and time, and then work.
Я живу, а потом я работаю. Вот. То есть в этом плане, я думаю, стоит поучиться у них именно вот наслаждаться жизнью.
Therefore, first I live, then I work. In this respect, I think it is worthwhile to learn from people here how to enjoy life.
Тем, что вы живы, молоды, здоровы, то, что ваши дети рядом с вами, то есть уживайте. Вот.
They have this expression, they always say уживайте, or enjoy life. Enjoy the fact that you're alive, young, healthy, that your children are with you. Уживайте.
Что нужно все-таки вводить законы, которые запрещают курить в общественных местах, наверное, потому что все-таки нужно защитить.
What was an unpleasant surprise is that people smoke everywhere here. And I think that laws should be enforced that would prohibit smoking in public places in order to protect children from tobacco smoke.
Сербы пьют очень много кофе. То есть кофе для них это национальный напиток.
I was also surprised that Serbs drink a lot of coffee. Coffee is a national drink for them. For Kazakhs it is tea, for Serbs coffee. Of course, every nation has its own unique representation and character, what affects their way of thinking and mentality of the people. There are many factors: history, neighbors, nature. For example, the flora and fauna of the inhabited environment has a decisive influence on the national cuisine. Climate conditions leave an imprint on the cultural character. Weather and natural resources determine livelihood and leisure. Conflicts with neighboring countries instill such traits as courage and bravery. And of course, constant intermixing of cultures has a big influence. Serbs are very athletic people. The most popular types of sports here are football, basketball, volleyball, handball, water polo, and tennis. They love an active form of leisure: fishing, hunting, walks, or bike rides.
Для сербов важнее всего, скорее всего, семья, потому что
For Serbs, family comes above all because they always spend time together. Very often fathers are seen walking with their children. On weekends they are seen even more often than mothers with children. In second place come friends. There is this paradox that if you want to find out about something, online it is possible to find only 5% of information. The rest can be found out only through acquaintances or friends. Because the way they keep in touch, it resembles a network or a clan. That is why friends are in second place, or at times it would seem as important as family. And they're quite serious about work. They love to work. For a Serb, work is a source of pride.
О сербах можно сказать то, что они очень привязаны к своим семьям. Они чтут свои
What I can say about people in Serbia is that they're very attached to their family, they respect traditions, and they gather all together for festivities. There are a lot of family festivities. They have a special family day when they get together and invite all friends and acquaintances.
Думаю, что можно сказать, что в этом сербы похожи на казах. Для
I think that it is possible to say that in this respect, Serbs are similar to Kazakhs. For Kazakhs, familial ties are very important. Wherever we may be, in our hearts, we're always close to our roots, the people who are close to us. Serbs also love their people and are proud of it.
Вообще люди здесь, они более открыты.
Overall, people here are more open.
Новый класс. Меня познакомили с ними. На
When I started a new school, I was introduced to everyone, and the next day I was hugged when I came. And the third day, greeted with a kiss on the cheek, and so on.
следующий дальше повели.
Сербы очень музыкальный народ. Они очень много поют.
Serbs are a very musical nation. They sing a lot, there are a lot of vocal and choir groups.
Хоровых объединений, клубов по интересам. То есть все-таки, я думаю,
Clubs based on various hobbies. I think that they're naturally musical, just like Kazakhs. In addition, they're athletic, lead a healthy lifestyle. That's what I think.
занимаются спортом, ведут здоровый образ жизни, я так считаю.
В Сербии увлекаются как в основном рыбалкой, и они
People in Serbia love fishing and they like to spend their leisure time actively. It is practically impossible to meet a person here who just lays around on the beach all day.
бегают какие-то фрисбы, волейбол, очень любят баскетбол и детские.
They're always doing something, running or playing volleyball. They really love basketball, they love children's games. All the running and bike paths are always busy, people cycling, rollerblading. In the morning, it is impossible to get through the rubber path that stretches along the entire beach. There's just a traffic here. I would say that Serbs live an active lifestyle. This is expressed in a lot of ways, and they love fishing.
Если проводить параллели, мне кажется, что много схожего у сербов и казахов именно вот в отношении.
If we draw parallels, then I think that there are a lot of similarities between Serbs and Kazakhs concerning attitude towards tradition, family, relatives, and native land. So wherever they are, they always respect their native country and try to go back. I think that in this respect, they're very similar to us. The Petrovaradin fortress on the Danube across the city of Novi Sad was laid for the defense of the Habsburg Empire from the Turks in 1692 by the Field Marshal Charles Eugene de Croix. The Hungarian Gibraltar, as the fortress was sometimes called, was the key fortifying structure at the Austro-Turk border. In 1694, the Turks attempted, unsuccessfully, to take over the unfinished fortress. Over time, the military need for the fortress disappeared. From 2001, the International Exit Music Festival is held on its territory. For each person, without exception, some of the most important factors of a good quality life are the opportunity to get a good education and implement the learned skills in practice. Serbia's system of education is on a very high level. One of its largest universities is located in Novi Sad. Overall, the country offers everything for getting a good job in any sphere, from farming to scientific research.
История гимназии очень богата и длится более 3 веков.
This gymnasium has a very rich history going back to more than 3 centuries.
Первые сведения о школе появляются.
This is the first educational facility of the Serbian people, with first written accounts about the schools and some documents going back to 1703. And throughout this entire period to this day, school studies never stopped here.
Что я хочу сказать, что образование наше ценится здесь.
Our diplomas are recognized here, and there is an agreement between Serbia, Russia, and Kazakhstan on the mutual recognition of diplomas.
Россией, Казахстаном о взаимном признании дипломов. Так что мы
Therefore, I did not have to go through the nostrification of my diploma, and I was hired.
приняли на работу.
Radimo i kurseve programiranja. To je zanimanje koje trenutno
Historically, it happened so that our educational systems of Serbia and Kazakhstan, if we take the historical retrospective of Yugoslavia and Soviet Union, are synchronized in a lot of aspects. That is why specialists from Kazakhstan never experience any problems when they come here and present their diplomas.
razumeva ozbiljan i odgovoran rad višegodišnji i kad počneš da ga radiš da budu svesni da će dok god se bave tim.
Here they are recognized as on par with diplomas of our educational institutions. Right now we're gradually switching to Western educational standards, and your country, Kazakhstan, is as well.
И кроме того, мы делаем совместный проект сейчас для казахстанских школьников и студентов.
In addition, there is currently a joint project for Kazakhstani school children and students. We're preparing a course of lectures for communication and for the preparation of students through internet.
То есть готовим лекции, записываем их для того, чтобы мы могли оказывать.
We prepare lectures, record them, thereby offering educational services for students of Kazakhstan.
В данное время готовы уже лекции.
At the moment, lectures for 5th graders have already been recorded, and we're going to develop further.
Kad počneš da ga radiš da budu svesni da će dok god se bave tim.
I think that this is a world trend, brain drain. When there's a big project, it attracts specialists from all over the world. And we're happy to see them, high-level researchers from Kazakhstan, come here and start working, dedicating themselves fully to their endeavor. In addition to intense research work, they manage without any detriment to the main line of activity to find more time for social, educational, international, and I'm not afraid to say, educational projects that are very important for both of our countries, Serbia and Kazakhstan.
И более того, я считаю, что знание – это все-таки наша свобода, то есть свобода перемещения.
What's more, I believe that knowledge is freedom, freedom of movement. Knowledge knows no borders. Knowledge knows no nationalities. If you have a good foundation of knowledge, then you always find yourself in any field. What does a person take with them when moving to another country? Of course, some material valuables that will allow them to live without want. But of no lesser importance are the things that are valuable only to that person. That would be more correct to say. Aya and her family took with them the memories of their ancestors, well, at least a small part, a photo album. Important and precious memories. These are the familiar faces of people with whom a lot of kind and warm stories are connected. These are childhood friends from places where a lot of important and interesting events happened. Perhaps it is something that should be passed on in every family, from generation to generation.
Когда мы переезжали, мне было 5 лет, и я помню, что Казахстан.
When we moved, I was 5 years old, and I remember that Kazakhstan was very beautiful, and we always had a beautiful view from the window. I always loved being outside, even though I was quite young at that time.
С Казахстана я общаюсь с некоторыми из класса.
Among people from Kazakhstan, I still keep in touch with some of my former classmates. We communicate over email, sometimes Skype. We miss each other, of course.
Да, мы общаемся
Yes, we keep in touch with many relatives.
с многими. Я с своим двоюродным.
I communicate a lot with my cousin.
Вот. Но я надеюсь, что набравшись новых впечатлений, да, и мы уже с новыми силами.
I hope that after getting a lot of new experiences, with renewed energy and attitude, we would happily come back to Kazakhstan. And of course, we cannot do without an indispensable part of our trip, gifts. We chose them with love, bringing them across thousands of miles. And with great pleasure, we present these gifts, a small reminder of our native country. But everything comes to an end. Once again, our trip has reached its conclusion, and despite how sorry we are to say goodbye to this wonderful country and its people, it is time to get on the road. Goodbye, friends, and until next time.
Дорогие казахстанцы, желаю вам мирного неба над головой.
Dear people of Kazakhstan, I wish you a peaceful sky above your head, health to your families, and well-being. To Kazakhstan, I wish prosperity and all the best. Barыңызға сәлем, сау болыңыздар.